Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Try Techies. Today we are going to discuss that how can we update our Instagram account over the Android phones. So let's go ahead, and if you're having an Android phone, you need to open your Play Store. Yeah, here's my Play Store. However, if you're using an iPhone, then you need to go to your App Store. Now over here on the search bar, you need to type Instagram. And if your Instagram needs some updation, it will automatically come with this green sign, which is update. Means I have the older version, I need to update my Instagram account. However, if it's not showing you anything over here, that means your Instagram account is already updated. You need not to update this anymore further. So let's go ahead and update this account. Let me tap on this. Now it has started downloading the new Instagram app. It will show you the percentage of the download. So we have to wait until unless it doesn't comes to the 100%. Yeah, 100%. It's done. Now it's installing. Let's wait for that. It will take a little bit of time. So once it is installed, it will highlight an open button for you. You can open it from here and it will directly take you to your Instagram account. And now you can surf and play with your Instagram app over here. So that is all for today's videos, guys. If this video was helpful for you, just let us know in the comment box. However, if you need any other assistance for any other social media platform related, if you're facing any kind of technical issues, let us know in the comment box. I'll go and I'll try to make videos on that so that you get the better resolutions. All right. So guys, stay in touch with us. Have a nice day. Goodbye.